Hi, this is Cinzia from Digital Media Stream here. Today we're going to see how to fix Google Ads display campaign not running or low traffic. So if your Google Ads display campaign is not getting the traffic you want, then you might need to look at this video as we will walk through a common reason for this issue and how to fix them. So the first reason is the budget. So if you look at your display campaign budget, you just need to make sure you don't have the notification limited by budget, which means your budget is limited, so your campaign may not run. Display campaign usually have a very low cost per click, so a small daily budget is usually enough to be able to run your campaign, but just make sure you don't have the limited by budget notification here. Another reason could be the targeting settings. So restrictive settings, targeting settings can limit your ad reach. So we need to review and adjust the audience targeting. So for example here, if we look at this campaign, we have a retargeting campaign here. So with the retargeting campaign, we are basically targeting our website visitors in the last 30, 60, or 90 days. Sometimes this audience is too small, and for this reason, the ads may not run. So just make sure you check the audience. You click on audience keyword and content on the left, click audiences, and then click edit audience segment here and check your audience here on the right here. Here we are targeting all website visitors. So as you can see here, if you click here, you see the size is 0. So the ads won't run because obviously there is no audiences in there. But sometimes it's also like 100, 200 is too small to be able to reach a decent audience to be able to run the ads. For this reason, we always recommend to target by topics or keywords, so you are sure that you basically reach the audience you want and is not too narrow. Another reason could be ad disapproval. So if we have disapproved ads, the campaign won't run at all. So you need to check disapproval and resolve any policy violation. Then there is another important reason, which is the bidding strategy. So if you go to your campaign, your display campaign, click here on the settings and make sure you have the right bidding strategy and that your bidding strategy is not limiting your traffic. So if we have a maximized click, for example, you need to make sure the maximum cost per click limit is not too low. So try and test different cost per click if you think this is limiting your reach. Then there is another important factor, which is the placement. So you can check the placement under content. Placement are where your ads appear, which website, which apps. So if you click on content here, you can click on edit content and you see where your ads appear. I added all the placements, so I added all the list of websites I wanted my ad to appear on. But this could limit your reach, because you are choosing the website. While if you leave Google choose the website for you, you have more chances to reach a bigger audience. So you can just choose the website you want to appear on, or you can just add specific keywords or add specific topic and then let Google find the placement for you. Just make sure you check them let's say on a weekly basis. Make sure the website that Google is sending your traffic to is not are not fake websites. So to recap, to fix low traffic issues in your Google Ads display campaign, you need to make sure you have the right budget, you need to review your targeting settings, resolve ad disapproval, experiment with bidding strategy, and choose effective ad placement. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips about PPC. Thank you for watching.